Cap. Noun. A close-fitting hat, either brimless or peaked. The children were all wearing caps to protect them from the sun. Cap. Noun. A special hat to indicate rank, occupation, etc. Cap. Noun. An academic mortarboard. Cap. Noun. A protective cover or seal. He took the cap off the bottle and splashed himself with some cologne. Cap. Noun. A crown for covering a tooth. He had golden caps on his teeth. Cap. Noun. The summit of a mountain, etc. There was snow on the cap of the mountain. Cap. Noun. An artificial upper limit or ceiling. We should put a cap on the salaries, to keep them under control. Cap. Noun. The top part of a mushroom. Cap. Noun. A small amount of gunpowder in a paper strip or plastic cup for use in a toy gun. Billy spent all morning firing caps with his friends, reenacting storming the beach at Normandy. Cap. Noun. A small explosive device used to detonate a larger charge of explosives. He wired the cap to the bundle of dynamite, then detonated it remotely. Cap. Noun. Soccer, an international appearance. Rio Ferdinand won his 50th cap for England in a game against Sweden. Cap. Noun. Something covering the top or end of a thing for protection or ornament. Cap. Noun. A large size of writing paper. Flat cap, fool's cap, legal cap. Cap. Verb. To cover or seal with a cap. Cap. Verb. To award a cap as a mark of distinction, etc. Cap. Verb. To lie over or on top of something. Cap. Verb. To surpass or outdo. Cap. Verb. To set an upper limit on something. Cap wages. Cap. Verb. To make something even more wonderful at the end. That really capped my day. Cap. Verb. Transitive to select a player to play for a specified side. Cap. Verb. Transitive to select to play for the national team. Peter Shilton is the most capped English footballer. Cap. Verb. To deprive of a cap. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.